let's talk about the super early quests in Grey Zone Warfare Night Ops. So, before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. First of all, First Recon. This is going to be your first mission that you do, most likely, and it's super simple. We need to check the gas station, the convenience store, and the demolished building. Now, before we get too far into this, you'll see there were numbers there. So, 170, 121, 171, 118, 170, 116. Yours will be slightly different. This is because there are 3 different factions and 3 different starting areas. If we check out the map, you'll see that I'm in the southern bit down here as part of Mithras. We also have Crimson in the northwest and Lemang in the northeast. If we zoom into this one, for example, the gas station is down here in 143, 161, reading the top number, then the side number. But ours down here is all the way on the north side of it in 170, 121. This is exactly where it tells us we're supposed to go. Then for Lemang in the northeast, it's on the southwest side here. You'll notice that all of these towns have a big T shape as such, and it's just rotated. So this one's got the gas station on the center, this one again on the center, here's the big T shape, or here, and down at the very bottom, again, there's another T-shape in the town here with the gas station up here. So just make sure to rotate yours, whichever faction you're in. The 3 places we need to visit are the gas station, for me, up here, 170, 121, the convenience store in 171, 118, so it's in this place over here, towards the T from this big building, so somewhere here, and the demolished building is in 170, 116, so down here. Let's get to those 3 places. Alright, so first of all, the gas station is all the way up here. I've taken my way to LZ3, which is going to be the quickest way to get there. You only have these 2 LZs unlocked by default. Either hop on a helicopter coming here or run your way up here and visit this landing zone to unlock it. It'll definitely be worthwhile later starting your quest up here. So let's make our way down to the gas station. Alright, so clearing out a couple of guards and making our way down towards this gas station. All we need to do is enter the general area. So coming in here, checking our corners. We've now ticked off of this first part of the quest. That's all you need to do. You just need to visit here. Then the next location is the convenience store and the demolished building. So 171, 118 and 170, 116. Let's start by heading off over here. The convenience store is this one over here, closest to the road. So we're heading through the town towards this place. This is the back entrance of it, and we can make our way in here. The safer, more usual way of doing things is probably from the front. Regardless, as soon as we enter this building, it should tick it off on our quest list. So if we check out the front, this is what it looks like, and from the outside, this is what the place looks like. It's located right here. Now, finally, the last place to go is 170, 116. The demolished building is right about over here. So making our way here, you can see this area with a blue top on the walls. Just inside of here is where we need to go. So just in here, as soon as we touch this area, that part of the quest is complete. And now that we've visited all 3 locations, we just need to get back. And now that we've returned back, heading to the vendor's handshake, let's hand this in. So there we go. That has been First Recon. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.